burly-looking workers down.
Builders.
Yeah, down there, and they went, yeah! They obviously don't get out much. They fancy me in a black plastic mat.
Well, welcome. You know the theatre so well because you were here.
2 months ago in Benidorm. Did you all come and see it?
Yes.
I hope you did. It was fabulous, wasn't it?
Brilliant.
Yeah,
absolutely brilliant. And you're a pantomime stalwart. I mean,
I am. I've been going hundreds of years. This dress I wore in pantomime a couple of years ago, didn't I, Nigel? And amazed, the zip went up. I mean, I've got bits of fat hanging out, but
no, you haven't.
But the thing is, the zip went. Isn't it amazing, girls, when you put something on and you think, I'm never going to get in that anymore, and suddenly you can get in it.
Nigel's the same.
Yes. Were you? Isn't it fabulous? You can get in, big knickers are the thing. If you can wear big knickers. And the main thing is, you see, when you go in that bathroom and you suck, sorry boys, and you suck it all in and stick it down those knickers and pull those knickers up to here. The only problem is when you take your knickers off, it goes all over the bathroom floor, and then you're dragging it behind you. I shouldn't be telling you all.
No, we're all secrets.
They're secrets.
Tell us a bit about Benidorm, because I mean it's been such a big thing in all of our lives for so many years now.
Actually, the theatre show, people said to me they loved it more than the telly. You're nodding. Do you agree? Yeah. Why? Go on now, put you on the spot now. Why do you think
it was so funny, wasn't it?
Yeah. Funny, and just seeing the actors really
live, walking and talking. Yes, I agree, and they loved it more, and it was quite near the knuckle, but a few pussy jokes, but in the sense of a cat, I mean.
Of course,
and they were a bit kind of risque, but they were done in the best possible taste, as Kenny Everett used to say.
Yes.
But it was the most amazing, phenomenal success. I've been an actress for about 100 years now, and I've never seen success like this show. And I used to say to the boys when the roar at the end, and people screaming, I said, in all your careers now, you will never see that again. That roar at the end.
Every time everyone entered.
Every time, and I was first on, of course, and I got the best round. But anyway, but at the end, when we all came on and that roar, I mean, it used to make me get really emotional. The thought that, all you audience out there are so loyal to that show, that you loved it so much, which is what you're going to do, of course, in pantomime.
Yes.
You see, so when we come on, you'll go, yeah! And you'll book, and and it depends. I mean, if I have to sleep with somebody, that's fine. Jonathan will do the same, won't you? We come as a couple, and so if anybody is willing and able, are we willing and able?
Always.
So Benidorm was phenomenal, and we were so grateful and so thrilled. And we are making a film, which will probably be next year in March, where we usually go out to Benidorm March to July. So we've missed that.
Yeah.
But the film will be fantastic. It'll be made in Benidorm.
Brilliant.
So that's wonderful.
And of course, most of Benidorm people bought homes in Benidorm. You didn't know, did you?
I didn't.
Because you were saving your money for down the road.
Absolutely, because I'm moving here. Now there you go. So I used to live on Conway Marina, and then my daughter met this boy and moved away, and wherever my daughter is, I have to move. And whether she goes to Australia tomorrow, I will be on the plane. I have to be with my daughter and my grandchildren, no matter where they are. So, anyway, my brother lives here. Now, do you know Characters in Llewellyn Avenue? The little cafe in Llewellyn? That's my brother Brett, and his wife Annie. Brett has been very poorly, and so I want to be with him. And my niece lives here. She has another I'm selling these restaurants. Another restaurant in Conway called Lava. You've got to go to that. And so we're all moving, my daughter, her children, everybody, to Conway. Conway. And that happens in August. So I shall be resident here. So I shall come and see you all, and maybe we could get things together in the theatre here and do things. I think we should. So where's Sarah?
Sarah's there.
Yeah, then we'll do that, won't we, Sarah? We'll do I do ladies' lunches, you see, where I tell you all the gossip. and the really, really naughty stories. So we'll do that, Sarah, won't we?
Absolutely.
Yes, so you'll all come, ladies.
In your amazing career, Sherrie, there isn't anything you haven't done, really, is there? From starting off with the carry-ons with all those amazing people.
I did film, when I first left drama school, I did films. I did a film with Richard Chamberlain called The Slipper and the Rose.
Oh, I love that film.
Which was the most beautiful film. Then I did one with Harrison Ford, who was gorgeous but a bit strange. But anyway, that's another story. Then I did a carry-on film called Carry On Behind. And then I did lots of dramas, and I fell in love with every leading man I met. I fell in love with. And actresses do, we're so fickle. And it's very close to prostitution acting. And you just throw yourself about and say, I'd like to, ooh, yes, you're, but it doesn't work because, you know, it's not reciprocated very often. But, and it's been a long time, ladies, a long time. Well, we're not in the theatre, there's no children here, as I can tell you. But yeah, so I've been, my husband buggered off, my husband left me in 2001 for a 15-year-old child. I'm not bitter and twisted at all, but I've never had anybody since, you see, and I've been looking.
Well, I think the Marina,
there may be a sailor or two waiting and hanging
with
around.
a lovely yacht.
Yes, yes, I'd like a big yacht.
A big yacht,
as they say.
We could whisk it away.
But pantomime here is a joy for me because Nigel and I have known each other for 500 years actually, probably, yeah. And so it's a thrill to be here to do pantomime, and you'll love it and enjoy it. It's going to be very funny.
And clean.
And clean.
When these two get together, there's tons of laughs.
And and Kieran doesn't know, but he has to take all his clothes off at one point. But we'll let him know when that is. But that's, you know, not in a children's performance. So you will enjoy. It'll be such a joy to come and see.
But you've done so many years of pantomime.
I have. I've probably done about 15 of them, lots of them, and I think the first one, you know, was Russ Abbott in Southampton. Yeah, that's going back to 1920 probably. And I did. And I've always enjoyed. I used to play Jack.
Principal boy.
You know, Principal Boy, you know, 100 miles and still no sign of Dick.
Yes,
and it was, you know, that's when you could say that kind of thing. But Jack now is a boy.
Yes, of course, it was girls.
The boys, you see, the girls don't play girls. No, the boys don't play girls anymore.
No,
that's right, do they? Except this old queen here.
But it's funny how the traditions have changed though, because pantomime's always evolving, it's always of the time. But it's interesting. The only thing that hasn't evolved is the pantomime dame. It's the one thing.
Well, I did play Lady Dame once.
You played
Dame. Of course you did.
It was disastrous. Absolutely, I was just absolutely crap.
Where was that?
At Manchester Opera House. I mean, I wasn't bad, but I was wrong for a dame. Because I'm not a bloke.
No, it needs to be.
You can't say all those things if you're not a man.
No.
If you're a woman, it becomes, you know.
It doesn't work, does it?
It doesn't work. And like the Ugly Sisters don't work, do they?
No, they don't.
I know girls that have done the Ugly Sisters. It doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work.
You can't do all that, you know, big bosom. Oh, look at them. Oh. When it's a real bosom. You can't go touching up bosoms on stage when they're real.
No, you can't.
So there has to be some tradition left.
Yes.
But the Principal Boy had to change.
It did, yes. And we don't live very much as a boy band culture, so we will have a tall, dashing,
gorgeous,
handsome prince that all the girls can swoon over.
Yes.
Because in fairy stories, all the little girls want to be Tinkerbell in time.
And all the boys want to be...
All the boys want to be the Prince Charming, and the girls want to be Sleeping Beauty. And it does affect.
And we all like a bit of eye candy, don't we, girls? You know, we can look at and drool over and remember when. I don't remember when.
I remember how.
How is much more difficult than when. What would you do now? I don't know. All that fuss over such a little thing.
You're going to have an amazing season. Already you're firing on all cylinders now. You're great time. And you will have a great pantomime
I met
season.
these guys yesterday, and this is a whole new level.
He's no idea what's to come. You wait till we're on stage. Then you'll see.
But we are going to have another great pantomime season here.
Yeah.
I say a great company, a great story, lots of comedy, beautiful sets and costumes, and Kieran's got lots of very amazing illusions and tricks up his sleeve. Nothing else up his sleeve, just the amazing. And,
however, up my sleeve.
And we're gonna have a great season. I say a great pantomime subject. So welcome one and all to Llandudno. Welcome back to Nigel, and we'll see you all at Christmas. And I say to get the best deals for the groups, certainly the earlier booking is advised, as it's going to start getting
Yes, come and talk to me, groups.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And,
fabulous.
So welcome back. We're going to do some photographs now on the prom, and then we're going to. Oh, it's raining.